given to understand that Dr. Praveen Soni has been arrested in Chhindwara for prescribing cough syrup to children. We had earlier spoken to Dr. Soni. Let's listen in.
सर, ये आपने पहले कोल्ड ड्रिप सिरप पे पाबंदी लगा दी सरकार ने, आपको पता होगा?
जब से जानकारी आई है, एडवाइजरी आई, तब से दवाइयाँ बंद कर दी गई है।
अब तो सरकार ने पूरे प्रदेश में पाबंदी लगा दी।
नहीं, मेरे को जो पहले आज 20 दिन पहले एडवाइजरी आई थी नागपुर से, तो उसमें मैंने दवा बंद कर दिया। और मेरे को ये नहीं मालूम उसके फार्मुलेशन के अंदर कौन सा कंटेंट दिया जाता है जिससे कि दवाइयाँ बनाई जाती है, किसका डाइल्यूशन कैसा रखा जाता है। ये फार्मेसी डिपार्टमेंट का काम है, डॉक्टर का काम नहीं है।
सर, ये कभी मैं केंद्र सरकार की एडवाइजरी देख रहा था, उसमें 2 साल के नीचे के बच्चों को तो वो कह रहे हैं कि दिए नहीं जाना चाहिए, और या फिर जो बच्चों को उसकी तादाद है वो बहुत कम होनी चाहिए। हाँ, लेकिन सर मतलब आप तो डॉक्टर हैं सर, यू आर क्वालिफाइड फिजिशियन।
हो गया, पीडियाट्रिशियन हूँ, मुझे मालूम है इस दौरान में ऐसे कभी कोई केस हुआ नहीं। ठीक है, जब एडवाइजरी आई है उसके बाद से सभी जगह छिंदवाड़ा जिले में सभी जगह दवाइयाँ बंद कर दी गई है।
In News 18, Sharin Elizabeth joins us live this morning. Sharin, a very good morning to you. What is it that you can tell us about this arrest?
Well, this is regarding, of course, Dr. Praveen Soni, who had in fact prescribed this cold drift syrup to a couple of patients, and after which the death has happened. As of now, I can tell you what is really the angle that is being investigated by the Health Ministry at this point. Health Ministries, in fact, have collected a number of samples, the water sample, apart from that, soil samples from this area, and also cough syrup cold drift, which is suspicious, which is under scanner, which they believe could in fact be one of the reasons that could be linked to the children's death. And specifically, after this was shown that in Tamil Nadu, FDA has found toxic components within cold drip cough syrup. And now the MP FDA is also in fact testing the cough syrup. The results are of course awaited. We have been told that by evening is when the results will in fact be out. But this has of course put once again the cough syrup under the scanner. And remember, Ayush, we have seen just about a day back, we have seen how cough syrups were given a clean sheet by the Health Ministry. But right now, once again, after the Tamil Nadu FDA has found toxic components in the cough syrup, once again, the angle is whether these cough syrups are the reason why the children have died. And apart from that, 4 p.m. is when there's going to be a big meeting, an urgent meeting, emergency meeting has been called by the Health Ministry. It is going to be chaired by the Health Secretary, and all the Health Secretaries of all states and UTs are going to be part of this meeting. They're going to look into regulating such quality of the drug. Apart from that, rational use of cough syrups. Remember, this is an advisory that was released by the DGHS as well, that as far as children under the age of 2 are concerned, they should not be consuming cough syrup. Apart from that, if the first line of treatment needs to be hydration and rest, there's no need to give cough syrup to the children, is the advisory that is coming in from DGHS. We are also seeing number of raids that are being conducted across the country. The manufacturers of a couple of cough syrups are also under the scanner. There are about this cold drift specifically has in fact been banned in multiple states, including Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh. They have banned cold syrup for the distribution of cough syrup. So these are the steps that has been taken. And today at 4 p.m. we will get to know further what is going to be the steps that will be taken by the Health Ministry.
Right, Sharin, also talk to us a little about the medical examinations as far as the death is concerned. Do we know of any post-mortems done in Chhindwara?
Well, we have in fact been highlighting how the deaths of about over 11 children in Chhindwara went without any sort of post-mortem. And we had in fact questioned the SDM as well as to why the post-mortem was never conducted. Now, what the SDM has been saying is that there were in fact some analysis that was done, and it was found that the kidney was damaged. Apart from that, the samples of the blood was also sent to the NIV Pune. These steps were of course taken, but yes, as far as the postmortems are concerned, that was never conducted, is what we are getting to know. And this has now been picked up by the opposition parties as well in Madhya Pradesh. Specifically when we talk about Chhindwara, that is the bastion of Kamal Nath, the former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. And he has in fact been saying that as far as these cold drift cough syrups are concerned, there is solvent, there is petroleum fuel that is being added in the cough syrup. So all these allegations are of course coming in from the opposition. There is pressure on the Madhya Pradesh government, but at the same time, the central government is very clear as far as their crackdown is concerned. There's not going to be any compromise. Whichever whichever cough syrup brand has come under the scanner are being investigated, there is going to be tough actions that will in fact be taken against them, starting with Cold Riff brand that has already found some toxic component in Tamil Nadu.
All right, Sharin, thank you so much for bringing us those details as far as the probe and deaths and arrests are concerned. We now shift our focus to another piece of breaking news coming in. Well, shifting focus to a piece of breaking news after Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan reported deaths due to Cold Riff syrup. We are now given to understand that Telangana also has issued a public alert on Cold Riff syrup. Telangana Drugs Control Administration issued advisory to stop the usage of that particular drug. CNN News 18's Aneri Shah joins us live this morning. Aneri, a very good morning to you. What do we know about Telangana reporting such deaths?
Well, there are no such deaths which have been reported due to the Cold Riff syrup, and also at the same time, this is an advisory that has been issued by the Drug Controller Administration of Telangana to make sure that no untoward situation takes place, and that is the reason why it's a public alert which has been issued by the Drug Controller, where we are seeing that there's this advisory which has been issued asking people not to use this Cold Riff syrup and ensure if there is any sort of untoward situation, if there are any sort of deaths which have been reported, then they have to immediately report to the drug controller to make sure that further necessary action is taken. And based on that, we are seeing that now the Telangana Drug Controller Administration has issued this advisory to stop the usage of Cold Riff syrup, where we are seeing that this comes after there were mysterious deaths which were reported in Madhya Pradesh, where children lost their life due to having that consuming that Cold Riff syrup. And now what we are seeing is that a public alert has been issued by the Telangana Drug Controller Administration to ensure that no untoward situation takes place.
All right, Aneri, thank you for your inputs. We now listen into some of the reactions that we've been tracking for our viewers.
देर रात जो तमिलनाडु में एक कोल्ड रिफ कफ सिरप बनाने वाली कंपनी की रिपोर्ट आई है, जिसके लिए 1 अक्टूबर को लिखा गया था कि उसकी जांच करके रिपोर्ट भेजें तमिलनाडु सरकार को। कल देर रात जो रिपोर्ट आई है उसमें टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस 48% पाए गए हैं, जो कि एक बड़ा कारण हो सकता है। इसलिए तत्काल तमिलनाडु सरकार को लिखा गया उसके खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई करने के लिए, और मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव जी ने पूरे मध्य प्रदेश में इसकी सप्लाई को बैन कर दिया है। हमारी विभाग ने ऑर्डर जारी कर दिए हैं, और इस दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना के लिए और क्या जिम्मेदार हो सकती है घटनाएं कारण, उसके लिए पानी के सैंपल को नीरी भेजा है।
मतलब ये है कि बच्चों की मृत्यु कफ सिरप पीने से हुई है, और जब कफ सिरप पीने से बच्चों की मृत्यु हुई है तो पोस्टमार्टम करके इस बात का पता लगाया जाना चाहिए कि क्या कारण है मृत्यु का, और उनका विसरा जो है वो फॉरेंसिक लैब में जांच के लिए भेजना चाहिए ताकि कारण स्पष्ट हो सके। लेकिन एक भी बच्चे का पोस्टमार्टम नहीं कराया। आप सोचो, एक बहुत बड़े लेन देन की चर्चा हो रही है इस विषय को लेकर, क्योंकि पोस्टमार्टम कराते तो जो फैक्ट्री का मालिक है वो घेरे में आ जाता और बच नहीं पाता, उस पर 7-9 बच्चों की हत्याओं का मुकदमा दर्ज हो जाता। लेकिन इन्होंने पोस्टमार्टम नहीं कराया ताकि फैक्ट्री के मालिक को क्लीन चिट दी जा सके।